Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you all are doing fine and staying safe. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to learn about natural and man-made materials. That is on your learner's book page number 23. This is the text from your learner's book page number 23. You can find some natural materials. We have learned earlier that natural materials come from ground, or natural materials, we get these natural materials from plants, animals, and ground. So, on your learner's book page number 23, there are three natural materials written. One is cotton, wood, and slate. Cotton comes from plants, wood also comes from plants, and slate is a rock that comes from ground. Now, there are some man-made materials. What are the man-made materials? They are made by people. We humans make them using the natural resources or natural materials. We make them. Like glass is a man-made material, paper is a man-made material, and plastic is a man-made material. We make them using the natural materials, okay? The things around us are made of materials. Things like books, bags, clothes, school buildings, they are made of materials. But where did these materials come from? These materials come from nature, and some of the materials are man-made. What are the natural materials? We get natural materials from living things such as animals and plants. We get materials from the ground as well. Man-made materials. Man-made material, you read it on book as well. Man-made materials are materials obtained from natural materials through the chemical process. Now, let's have a look at some natural materials made from animals. We get wool from animals, and wool come from sheeps. Very good. Wool come from sheeps. And what do we make from wool? Sweaters. Excellent. We make sweaters, caps, wool, and gloves from wool. And we get leather from animals. They come from the skin of animals, the skin of cow and crocodile. And what do we make from leather? We can make jackets, purse, and belts. There is another natural material, that is silk. It comes from the silkworm, and we can make beautiful dresses from silk, and also silk ties. Now let's have a look at some natural materials that come from plants. They are cotton. It was on your learner's book as well. Cotton is a plant, and with cotton we make the clothes we wear in summer mostly. The, the, the t-shirt, the dresses we may wear are made of cotton. We get wood from plants, wood from trees, and what do we make from trees? We can make doors and furniture. We also get rubber from trees, that comes from the sap of a tree, and we can make balloons, beautiful colorful balloons, and erasers from rubber. These are the natural materials that come from plants. Now let's have a look at some examples of natural materials that come from ground. Rocks are found all over the ground. We can make buildings and statues from rocks. Clay, as you have learned earlier, we can make bricks from clay. And gold. Gold is a metal that is also found on ground, and we can make beautiful rings and jewelry from gold. Now let's look at the example of some man-made materials. As you have read that plastic is a man-made material. Plastic is made from oil that comes from deep in a ground. Oil is a natural material, and we make plastic from oil. And what can we make from plastic? We can make colorful toys, some shopping bags, and the plastic cups are made from Plastic. Glass is also a man-made material. It is made from sand and limestone. They both are found on ground, and we can make jars, magnifying glasses, and windows from glass. Paper is made from wood, and we can make books, newspapers, and cardboard from paper. Another man-made material, it's not on your book, but it's a man-made material, it's concrete. Concrete is made from sand and gravel, and cement is made from limestone and clay. And this natural material is used in making buildings and houses. We mix sand, gravel, and cement and then make concrete. Now let's come to the assignment. Hope you have understood. Assignment is your skill builder page number 16 and activity book page number 15. On the skill builder page number 16, there are some natural materials are, and you have to match them. Where do we get these from? First one is for you, this is milk. We get milk from cows. It is already done. What is this? Water. You have to match, where do we get water from? This is cotton shirt. You have to match it. And this is a wooden shield or wooden wall. You have to match it, where does it come from? And question number 2 is, paper is not a man-made natural material. People make paper from wood. We have to write 3 other man-made materials, okay? And on your activity book page number 15, you have to match these objects or materials are drawn. You have to match them if they are man-made or natural. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.